Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of x plus square root of 2 equals 2. Now, what we can do is to start by taking the squares of both parts of this equation. Square root of x plus square root of 2. This is raised to the power of 2 equals 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, if you have a plus b raised to the power of 2, this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. And in this case, a is square root of x, while b is square root of 2. So applying the identity here, we have a squared, that is square root of x raised to the power of 2, plus b squared, that is square root of 2 raised to the power of 2, plus 2 times square root of x times square root of 2. And this equals 2 to the power of 2. So from here, this eliminate this eliminate this, we have x plus 2, plus for this, we have 2 times square root of x times 2, that is 2x, and this equals 4. So what I can do is to move this over here, and the 2, I move it over here. So I have 2 times square root of 2x equals 4 minus 2 minus x. So right now, I have 2 times square root of 2x equals 4 minus 2 is 2 minus x. I divide this by 2. I divide this by 2. So from here, this eliminate this. I have square root of 2x equals 2 minus x divided by 2. Now I can decide to take the squares of both part of this equation again. Is cancel this. I have 2x equals for this. I have 2 minus x divided by 2 times 2 minus x divided by 2. So from here, I will simply have this is 2x equals 2 times 2, that is 4, 2 times minus x, minus 2x, minus x times 2, minus 2x minus x times minus x, plus x squared divided by 2 times 2. We have 4. So from here, this is over 1. I can cross multiply. 4 will multiply 2x. That is 8x equals 4 minus 4x plus x power 2. So right now, I can put this over here. I have 0 equals 4 minus 4x plus x power 2 minus 8x. So right now, I have 0 equals 4 minus 12x, this minus this, plus x squared. So let's rearrange this. Of x squared minus 12x plus 4 equals 0. Now we have this quadratic equation that we are going to solve for x. So let's solve this using the formula method. And x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. And if you compare this to the general quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, have a equals 1, which is the coefficient of x squared, b equals negative 12, which is this, and c equals 4. So we are going to insert everything into this formula. We have x equals negative 12 plus or minus square root of b squared, that is negative 12 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 4 plus 4 times e times c divided by 2 times 1. So from here, we have x equals this is 12 plus or minus square root of this is 144 minus 16 divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. So right now, I have x equals 12 plus or minus square root of, now we have 128, that is 144 minus 16, and this is divided by 2. So from here, we have x equals 12 plus or minus, this is square root of 64 times 2 divided by 2. So from here, we have x equals 12 plus or minus square root of 64, this is 8 times root 2 divided by 2. So from here, you have x equals, this is 6 plus or minus 4 root 2, because this cancels itself once, cancel 6, cancel here 4. Now we have two complex values for x. We have x1 equals 6 plus 4 root 2, and we have x2 equals 6 minus 4 root 2. Now let's check for these values. So we come over here. We have square root of x plus square root of 2 equals 2. We have x1 equals 6 plus 4 root 2. And we also have x2 equals 6 minus 4 root 2. Now we are going to set the value of x right there. So let's start with this. We have square root of 6 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 equals 2. So for this, we need to find the value of square root of 2. Then this will be about 1.4. So if you multiply this out, you have a number that is greater than 5. And if you add it to this, you have a number that is greater than 11. So if you take the square root of a number that is greater than 11, so if you have a number, square root of a number that is greater than 11, this will give you a number that is greater than 3, plus square root of 2 is about 1.4. So a number that is greater than 3 plus 1.4 will give you a number that is greater than 2. So meaning that this is not the answer. This is not the answer. Let's consider this. So you have square root of x plus square root of 2 equals 2. Then our s is 6 minus 4 root 2 plus root 2 equals 2. Now this will give you 5 point something that is greater than 5. So this will give you about 1 point something square root of a number greater than or a number less than 2. This will give you a number less than 2. plus this is 1.4. Is this equals to? So since this is less than 2, it's obvious that this also might be less than 1 because this is 6 minus this is 5 point something. So obviously this is rather less than 1. So this is less than 1. Square root of a number less than 1. So this is likely to be about 0.59 or 0.6. So if you actually add it to 1.4, this will likely give you 2. So you can consider doing this using your calculator, but you like to have 0.6 approximately. So this becomes the answer to this particular question, meaning the answer is 6 minus 4 root 2. So that is it, guys. Thank you and goodbye.